Goetze's Boom Boom Pow is proud to have served the Stover and the surrounding areas #1 firework destination for 9 years. We are locally owned and operated, offering the widest selection of snap pops, sparklers, and mortars, to novelty items, rockets, and variety packs. Perfect for any size celebration. Cash and credit cards accepted. Stay tuned to our Facebook page so you don't miss out on all the latest deals and updates. Let us be a part of your family's Independence Day celebration as we set aside our differences and remember the birth of our great nation. We have appreciated your business throughout the years and hope you have a happy, fun, and safe 4th of July season. Located in Goetze Brothers Carpet and Furniture parking lot off of Highway 52 in Stover.